Ever wondered how to tell if your soil is fertile? Well, have no fear, we're about to unravel the mystery of soil fertility for you. Soil, after all, is the backbone of any garden. It's the stuff that feeds our plants, and the better it is, the better our plants will be. But how do you know if your soil is up to snuff? Well, there are several ways to find out. First, consider the color of your soil. Healthy, fertile soil generally has a dark brown or black color. This is because it's rich in organic matter, which is great for plant growth. However, if your soil is a pale brown or gray, it might be lacking in nutrients. Next, think about the texture of your soil. Fertile soil should feel crumbly and moist. It should hold its shape when squeezed but crumble easily when you let go. If your soil is too sandy or too clayey, it might not be able to retain enough water or nutrients for your plants. Smell is another good indicator of soil fertility. Healthy soil should have a fresh, earthy smell. If it smells sour or rotten, that could be a sign of poor drainage or too much organic matter. You can also look for signs of life in your soil. Fertile soil is teeming with life, from earthworms to tiny microbes. If you dig into your soil and don't see any signs of life, that could be a red flag. Lastly, consider getting a soil test. This is the most accurate way to determine soil fertility. A soil test can tell you exactly what nutrients your soil has and what it's lacking. You can get a soil test kit from most garden centers, or you can send a soil sample to a lab for testing. Now, let's recap. To determine if your soil is fertile, you need to look at its color, texture, and smell. You also need to look for signs of life and consider getting a soil test. Remember, the healthier your soil, the healthier your plants will be. So take the time to understand your soil, and your garden will thank you. Happy gardening.